You've been told that to lose the spare tire, you need to destroy yourself in the gym. You need high intensity burpees, soul crushing sprints, or expensive weight sets. But what if I told you that the most effective tool for melting visceral fat, that stubborn belly fat linked to heart disease and diabetes, is something you already do every single day? Most people treat walking as just a way to get from point A to point B. But science shows there are specific hacks that transform a casual stroll into a metabolic furnace. Today, we're breaking down the 8 walking hacks that melt belly fat fast. We're moving beyond the 10,000 steps myth and looking at the biomechanics and timing that actually change your waistline. Stick around for hack number 5. It's a game changer for your blood sugar that most people get completely backwards.
Before we dive into the hacks, let's get the why out of the way. Why walking instead of running? Cortisol management. High-intensity exercise can spike cortisol. If you're already stressed, high cortisol signals your body to store fat in the abdominal area. Walking lowers cortisol. The fat-burning zone. At lower intensities, your body uses a higher percentage of energy from fat oxidation rather than glucose, sugar. Sustainability. You can't do HIIT for 60 minutes, but you can walk. Consistency is the king of weight loss. The 8 walking hacks. Hack 1. The after-dinner burn. The first secret to melting belly fat isn't about how far you walk, but when you walk. Most people finish a heavy dinner and immediately sit on the couch, which allows blood sugar to spike and insulin to rush in, the primary fat storage hormone. By taking a brisk 10 to 15-minute walk within 20 minutes of finishing your meal, you utilize the glucose sponge effect. Your muscles contract and soak up that excess sugar for immediate energy before your body has the chance to tuck it away as visceral fat around your midsection.
Hack 2. Variable power walking. If you walk at the exact same pace every single day, your body becomes a master of efficiency. While efficiency sounds good, it's actually the enemy of fat loss because your metabolism adapts and burns fewer calories to do the same work. To break this plateau, you need to use the 30-60-90 method. Walk at a recovery pace for 90 seconds, transition into a determined power walk for 60 seconds, and then give it a sprint walk effort for 30 seconds. This constant variation keeps your heart rate elevated and forces your metabolic rate to stay high long after you've finished your route. Hack 3. The Incline Advantage. Gravity is your best friend when it comes to burning calories without increasing the impact on your joints. Walking on a 5% to 10% incline, whether that's a local hill or a setting on your treadmill, can increase your caloric expenditure by up to 60%. This shift in terrain forces your glutes, hamstrings, and calves to work significantly harder. Because these are some of the largest muscle groups in your body, they demand a massive amount of energy, pulling directly from your fat stores to keep you moving upward. Hack 4. Engage the core brace. Most people walk with a passive posture, letting their midsection hang loose. However, you can turn every walk into an abdominal workout by practicing the core brace. Imagine someone is about to lightly poke you in the stomach. You would naturally stiffen those muscles. By maintaining about 20% tension in your core as you walk, you are performing a functional isometric hold. This doesn't just protect your lower back, it actively tones the transverse abdominis, which acts as your body's internal corset, pulling your waistline in tighter over time.
Hack 5. The fasted morning walk. When you wake up in the morning, your body is in a unique metabolic state where insulin levels are at their lowest point of the day. This is the prime time to target stubborn fat. By performing a 20-minute low-intensity walk before you eat breakfast, your body doesn't have easy access to recently digested carbohydrates for fuel. Instead, it is forced to tap into your adipose tissue, specifically that stubborn belly fat, to keep your systems running. Keep this walk steady and relaxed. The goal isn't to sweat, but to signal your body to switch its primary fuel source to fat. Hack 6. Weighted rucking. If you want to turn a simple stroll into a high-powered fat-burning session, you need to add resistance. This is often called rucking, a term borrowed from the military. By wearing a wilted vest or simply putting a few heavy books in a backpack, you increase the metabolic cost of every single step you take. This extra weight makes your heart work harder and builds lean muscle mass in your legs. Since muscle is metabolically active tissue, the more you build through this added resistance, the higher your resting metabolic rate becomes, helping you burn fat even while you sleep. Hack 7. The 90-degree arm pump. Your legs will only move as fast as your arms allow them to. Many walkers leave their arms dangled at their sides, which actually acts as a brake on their momentum. Instead, keep your elbows bent at a strict 90-degree angle and swing them from the shoulder. This pump creates a rhythmic drive that increases your stride frequency and engages the upper body. By involving the muscles in your shoulders and back, you're turning a lower body exercise into a full body movement, significantly increasing the total energy burned during your session.
Hack 8. The nose breathing technique. The final hack is all about your internal chemistry. If you find yourself huffing and puffing through your mouth, you've likely crossed the threshold into a sugar-burning state. By focusing exclusively on nasal breathing, you maintain a higher level of CO2 in the blood, which helps release oxygen more effectively to your cells. This keeps your body in a parasympathetic, fat-oxidizing state. If you find you can't maintain nasal breathing, it's a sign to slow down. Remember, for belly fat loss, the goal is steady and sustainable, not exhausted and breathless. Melting belly fat isn't about suffering, it's about strategy. You don't need a gym membership to start. You just need a pair of shoes and these 8 hacks. The action plan for you? Start tomorrow morning with a 15-minute fasted walk. Incorporate the after-dinner burn tonight. And don't forget to pump those arms. So, which of these hacks are you going to try first? Let me know below. I read every single one. Keep moving, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found these science-backed tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. We drop deep dive health guides every week.